Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel. So in this video, I will show you how to create a cap and discount for specific products in Shopify. So for this, I'm using the next cap and discount app from Shopify App Store. You can also install this app from Shopify App Store, or I added the app link in this video description. So once you install the app, you can open the app and you can click on create new discount. So you can give a title of 5% off up to 200, right? You can make it a discount code or automatic discount. I'm making it an automatic discount. I'm giving it a percentage value. So I'm giving 5%. The capping amount maximum will be 200. From here, you can select for specific products. So you can select 2 to 3 products or which other products you need. I'm selecting this all these products and variants and only these products. Mm. You can also have a minimum purchase amount or minimum purchase quantity and adding a minimum purchase quantity of 3, right? Then you can make its custom eligibility and you can save it. So the discount is added. So in discount section, you can see the discount is there, right? And it's an automatic discount. The discount is added through this app. So if you click on this discount and you can easily edit those discounts. So this is how you can make a capping discount for specific product. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.